Hello everyone, this is Jenny. So today's session is basic coding concepts, okay, for grade 3. Okay, so why we are using this program? Yes, we are going to give some instructions to your system. You are going to communicate with the system. You can create animation videos or apps or website creation, or you can do designing for your website purpose, as well as anything you can create as you like in the basic coding concepts. Okay, so what is the difference between coding and programming? For coding means you are going to writing the program, writing the instructions, but programming you are going to design or make some applications. Okay, so that is the difference between coding and programming. So here I am showing one of the basic coding software. Example, code.organization. Okay, so this platform, they are providing kids animation videos. Okay, so here you can see this software. In this picture or software, you can create two characters. One is boy, another one is girl. Okay, so if I run this coding, okay, so because already they have built-in functions. Okay, so just let's check it. Now I'm giving the run process. Okay, if I touch this boy, it says his name Aggie. If I touch this girl, her name is Summer. So okay, so once again you can repeat this process. If I touch this boy, he says this is my first day in the school. If I touch this girl, okay, can I sit or sit? Something ask. The two characters, they are conducting conversation between them. Okay, so this is your project. Okay, so this is your project. How we can create this project means you should go to this studio.organization. Okay, this is your domain name system. Okay, and then you can approach this code. Okay, so next process we can touch here. Okay, next we can create this type of software. Okay, so already they given some background. Now I am going to make this coding. Okay, I'm going to set all the codes in the block. So before that it was in empty background. So now I'm going to make a on character in that background. Okay, so now we can run this process. Yes, nothing it happened. Okay, so if the character should be moved means I should give this animation. Okay, and next we can see this performances. Okay, so here you can set that size in the block. Now you can run this process. Yeah, so that character forward. Okay, it comes some forward. You can set here, or you can okay, it should come under this process. Okay, so here you can change this size. For example, 300. If I give this size, let's check it. Yeah, you can see now that character, it comes out very big. Okay, so previous the character was small. If I give reduce the sizes, if I increase the sizes, the character size would be increased. Okay, so this is your project. And again another process you can continue. So one more code we are going to set in this process. Okay, so we are going to make another character. Yes, here also you can change the size. Yes, If you don't want this, you just drag this button and then move. Okay. Yes. Next process, you can see this coding. Okay. Yes. Here, what are the blocks you have seen here? You can set this heading, subheading, background, and then make new character. Okay. So when you clicked that option, it should be worked. Yes. If I touch this insect, it shows something. If I touch this pic, it shows the sizes. Okay. Yeah. This is the process of this animation. Okay, so you can create this block of codes in a code software. Okay, so this is one of the basic software like a Scratch and then Blockly. Okay, so you can work on this platform also. Thank you so much, my friend Jenny.